Stamperia's Alchemy paper pack is 12 inches by 12 inches, and it is delightful. There are 10 double-sided sheets, but you know, that doesn't tell the whole story, so let me share it with you. Now, on the back of this cover sheet, there is a pattern sheet, which is beautiful, and then this begins the 42 cutouts. I think that's an all-time high, and they're gorgeous. Some of them are big rectangles like these. I'll show you as I go through. Now, there's beautiful artwork, words on the front, creativity, fortune, abundance, desire. And on the back, they're a little plainer, so nothing goes to waste. Here's one of the other full 12 by 12s. I love the sun and the moon. And then we have this on the back of it. We're adding more color as we move into this sheet. Just absolutely spectacular. Look at all the rusty metal, just beautiful. Here are more of those cutouts. This time they are in squares, little less than 4 inches square. Here's the back side of them in case something doesn't appeal to you. You've got more to use. Look at this. Isn't this wonderful? Use it full or cut it up. And there's the back side of it. And here's more, doing all of those moons and all of their phases. And then the back is text going lots of different ways. More of a collage look. I love the owls peeking in there. And text on the back with lots of moons and suns. Now here are more of those 42 cutouts. Again, the artwork is lovely on this side, and on the back side it is a printed paper, so you can use everything. Lots of numbers, true for alchemy. And then on the back, again, moons and stars. We have more cutouts, kind of looking like bookmarks, although you can use them for anything, as you know, circles and rectangles. And on the back, plainer versions of the same thing. And then the last sheet is this one, and it is on the back side of the paper collection. Alchemy is brand new, and we are delighted to have it from Stamperia.